You are going to love the 2018 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.